Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers, and my dear students. Today's assembly is conducted by the students of class 7th B, and the theme of today's assembly is One Dream, One Goal. Every person in this world does have a dream or an ambition which one wants to fulfill during his or her life. This dream encourages you to do better and move towards your goal. Your dream plays an important role in your life. Taking this aspect into account, we have come up with a few points for the students on this important topic. These points should provide an insight to the students on how to realize one's dream and should benefit them in studies as well. Now let's begin the assembly with the morning prayer first.
Ready for Hindi prayer. Join your hands and close your eyes. सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। शुद्ध भाव से तेरा ध्यान लगाए हम, विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम। शुद्ध भाव से तेरा ध्यान लगाए हम, विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम। हाँ, विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम। तुम्हीं से है आगाज, तुम्हीं से अंजाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। गुरुओं का सत्कार कभी ना भूले हम, इतना महान बने गगन को छूने हम। गुरुओं का सत्कार कभी ना भूले हम, इतना बने महान गगन को छूले हम। तुम्हीं से है सुबह, तुम्हीं से शाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। हाँ, करते हैं शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। Morning everyone, get ready for the English prayer. Light a candle for peace, light a candle for love, light a candle that shines all the way around the world. Light a candle for me, light a candle for you, that our wish for world peace will one day come true. Light a candle for peace, light a candle for love, light a candle that shines all the way around the world. Light a candle for me, light a candle for you, that our wish for world peace will one day come true. Sing peace around the world, sing peace around the world, sing peace around the world.
Get ready for pledge. India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and wide heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give to my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. India's well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Good morning students. Today's thought of the day is set only one goal in your life and make that goal as your life. I repeat it once again. Set only one goal in your life and make that goal as your life. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning. Today I will tell you one dream, one goal. Everyone has a dream in his life which he or she wants to achieve when he or she grows up. Some kids wants to be a doctor, lawyer or an engineer, while others might want to become a sports person, actor, painter, etc. As humans, we are fortunate that we have the ability to dream. But just having big dreams will not be enough. You should be able to lay out a plan to achieve your dream, which is also called goal setting. To turn a dream into reality, the first thing that you need is determination. It will help you in many ways. Moreover, no matter how big your dream is, planning and setting short-term goals will always help. For completing the dream, you have to keep your dream in mind and remind this dream to yourself daily. Above all, to fulfill your dream, you should plan and work accordingly. It will always lead you to the right path at the same and not to forget to dream big.
Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Repeat number 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,